Hi, my name is Laurie. You may remember me in a previous video where I scanned an unfinished basement. My team and I just finished installing the kitchen in this basement remodel, and I used magicplan to design the cabinet layout while making sure I had the precise measurements. Let me show you the process. So here we are in my basement. This is a project that we're gonna essentially be turning into a short-term rental, and we're gonna have a kitchen right here. And so we're at the final finishing parts of everything, looking to install the cabinets, and I'm really trying to decide whether I want 12-inch base cabinets versus 18-inch base cabinets. Now keep in mind, this is a small kitchen space, so we also want to, make sure that we don't have anything too big so where it looks clunky, but we also don't want it to be non-functional either. So I'm gonna use my tape measure to see what that would look like. So starting from here, looks like this is where my base cabinet would end, and then I'd have my sink cabinet start here at 30 inches. So it would be really nice room for someone to see the window, which is great. And then we'd have our dishwasher here. Now, if I want to do 18 inches, that's gonna look like this. And then from here, I just put my finger here, and then I have to move this. And now, okay, that's gonna be where the sink is. I still don't understand what that actually looks like and what that would be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use magicplan to now see visually what this would look like after install. So I just finished scanning this part of the room. I didn't scan the whole room today because I'm really just trying to focus on this kitchen wall right here. So now that I've done that scan, and keep in mind our AR scan is 98% accurate, which is great for most use cases. Yet since I am going to be installing cabinets and I want to see how they look, I really just want to verify the measurement of this back wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my laser measure, and I'm going to connect it with my magicplan. So I will show you how to do that here. And now all I have to do is click on this measurement at the top and make sure it's highlighted in blue. If it's in gray, it won't, it's hard to tap. So once it's there, all I have to do is just point and shoot. And now I'm going to get the width measurements. And yeah, it's telling me, it was really close to being accurate right there, just off an inch. But now we have the most accurate measurement. And keep in mind too, with the initial scan, our scan feature is 95 to 98% accurate, and that is why I'm going back in with this Bluetooth laser measure. So now that we have the exact measurement, we can now start to see what it'll look like adding these cabinets in this space.
I will now add the kitchen cabinets and appliances so I can see how the layout will look after installation and if I need to make any adjustments. I am very happy with how the kitchen turned out. Using magicplan to create the design made it easy for me to see which cabinet size would work for this small kitchen and how much space I had to work with. The 3D mode allowed for easier visualization than when I was using my tape measure. I couldn't be happier with this basement kitchen remodel.
Boom, one take.